In this video, I'll show you how to write on multiple lines your Instagram bio, like so. So this is on an Android phone. The first thing you need to do is click on Edit Profile. And let's delete everything that was here. And now you can write anything here. So let's say, hello. You want the second word to be on the second line. So what you'll do is press this blue return button located on the lower right corner. And the cursor will go right under. So you can add another word, do it again. Whatever. And you can do it and do it and do it. You can also put emojis, obviously. And do it even more. And at the end, don't forget to press that check mark and press it again. It will save and you'll be able to see the result of the changes that you just made. Thanks for watching.